Have you ever tried to picture how an AC works? It's pretty cool, so let's take a look. This is an Amana split system. It's called this because it's split into two different components: the air conditioning unit, which sits outside, and the evaporator coil, which sits inside, usually with your gas furnace, which may be in your attic or your basement. The outside unit compresses and circulates the refrigerant to the evaporator coil, which is inside your home. The evaporator coil gets very cold, ice cold actually, so cold that it removes humidity from the air inside your home. Hot, humid air flows in, cool and comfortable air flows out. This continues until the indoor air matches the ideal temperature set on your thermostat or control system. You get the picture. To learn more, visit our website.